So I was just thinking, I had just cut this piece of rope to use as a belt, kinda. Cause my belt, it is too big for my waist. And I had just cut this piece of rope on both ends too, just to make it, a good size for me. And I was thinking, well, I have a YouTube channel and I know how to do this. So, I could, oh wait, it's kind of perfect. I could use this, I don't know, maybe as a short video or tutorial, I guess people would say. And so anyways, this tutorial is going to be for how to, I don't know, whenever you cut off a rope and you want to close the ends so the strings don't keep coming out. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your piece of rope that you cut off at the end. Wait, let me just get this situated. You're going to get your piece of rope, and now you see that the strings, let it focus, you see that the strings, whatever the little things are, that they're all spreaded out and stuff. Well, that's how you're going to close it to where they all like mend together or whatever. So it's pretty easy actually. You have me, I have this ladder or whatever I got from this Murphy's gas station. It was actually a gift from my friend Elizabeth back in Florence. Well, it wasn't the girl, my gas station wasn't in Florence, it was like Killing, but same thing, whatever. And so first of all, she gave me this as a gift, and yeah, I'm gonna use this ladder. It's a torch ladder, the one, see, like that. And yeah, so I'm gonna burn this. I'm gonna do this to both ends actually. I'm gonna burn this all around. Now, it is gonna catch on fire, but oops, it is gonna catch on fire. Now, hopefully I don't burn myself. Hopefully I don't burn myself, because I am doing this with one. I'm doing this with one hand. So as you see, it's all, oh, well, it didn't go exactly how it's supposed to be, but it all kind of melted together. And so yeah, it's gonna stink a bit, but of course, it has like plastic or whatever. Whatever this is, I don't even know. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put that down more towards the ground so I don't burn myself. And yeah, let me do this one too. Now this one's gonna be a little bit more, because I don't know, yeah, it just has more string on it. Wait, where can I put this down at? Yeah, it looks about good right there. I'll wrap this around maybe. I don't even know if you have to do this. Oh, you don't have to, but it's gonna work a little bit better so don't catch other things on fire. So, just get my, hopefully it don't fall, catch this container on fire too. So you can see it all melting together. I'm gonna do the edges too. No, it's not the best idea to be doing this inside, but it is dark outside right now. Y'all could probably see it better. Oh, dang, that's not good. Oh. Oh, that's not good. Oh, wait, I would not been, let me put it more this way, so maybe it'll melt. All right, focus that. Focus. My goodness. Oh, sorry, I'm kind of breathing real hard, by the way. I just like ran like a whole mile. Probably, I don't know. Maybe. Bro, why ain't it focusing? Stupid camera. Oh, there it is. Kind of a shiny. Now, if you were to touch it, it's gonna burn, maybe. Well, probably. I know it does. I touched it. Well, not right now, but you know. Now I'm gonna do it again on this side. I know it wasn't very smart the first time because it was like dripping stuff. But if you know me, I don't really learn from my first time of making a mistake. So this should be nothing new to some of y'all. Oh, dang, it's dripping already? I mean, honestly, that's kind of cool. Dripping fire. Oh, that'd be a cool name of a song, Dripping Fire. I mean, this is not a good thing. That is dripping. Actually, should I let this? That's kind of a cool sound, actually. Oh, yeah, I forgot that was on fire. I was getting too mesmerized by the fire. Okay, that should be good. Oh, maybe that should not be good. I don't know about y'all, but I don't got my leather boots on. I'm gonna blow this off a bit, by the way. Sorry if it's like blowing in y'all's ears. I'm wearing headphones. Wire, too. Hopefully that should do it. I'm gonna get this part. Oop, I almost burned myself. That part don't look too bad. I'm gonna do it again. Just cause. Y'all know who Hardy is? Oh, bro, that dude makes some good rock music. I mean, this is really pointless, me showing you this, but the fire is kind of cool, so. I mean, I love fire. By the way, if any of y'all want to get me any, like, presents, just saying, y'all could get me some firecrackers, new knives, because I got a knife collection. There's my gun. I've been looking for that. Right up there. Oh, man. Oh, I was holding this fire too close to my face. It was like an inch away from my face. But yeah, it's pretty. I love fire, honestly. I was seeing smoke too. Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. My go-kart right there. Kind of perfect example at the start. Anyways, yeah. I know this is too long, but some of y'all probably didn't stick around to watch the fire. But at least y'all learned. I mean, honestly, my channel is just a bunch of random crap. Just saying. So if somebody asks y'all, if you even want to like tell somebody, you want to tell somebody. Oh, sorry, I was gonna light again on fire. Oh my bad. But fine, y'all want to tell anybody else? Man, my anorexic. Wait, no, anorexic. No, that's anorexic is when some like skinny people, they like want to be skinny. Can y'all see that smoke? I'm sure y'all can. Anyways, yeah. So, anyways, have a good night, y'all. Jesus loves you. Pickles.